Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So students, today we will introduce our family members. Also, we will learn about pronouns. Now look at this picture. This is me. He is my father. She is my mother. I have one brother and two sisters, one uncle and one aunt. This is my grandfather and she is my grandmother. Now tell me how many family members you have. Now look at this picture. This is Fahad. He is a teacher. This is Asif. He is a boy. This is Saba. She is a girl. This is Isha. She is a doctor. And did you know, on replacement of the names, we use pronouns. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.